What is up, guys? I got my free labor working for me today.
It's illegal.
It's not illegal. It's off the books. We're good. We're chilling. We are working on the 620 today. We're getting started on tearing this thing apart. Yeah, we're getting started on tearing this thing apart. I already got the engine apart. Take a look at the pistons. Not quite sure at the block on if we'll be able to use it. I think we will if we go through and we bore it out a little bit. I got the pistons right here. Obviously, we'll have to clean them up, but they're in pretty good shape. Block itself has a little bit of surface rust on the cylinder walls. Like I said, we'll probably have to bore that out either with a ball honer or actually get it bored over and then go from there. The head, I'm debating on trying to just hot tank it, clean it up, and see if we can get it in a functional state. If not, then we'll probably have to find another head. That's just the way that it'll go. And then last, what we're going to do today is we're starting to pull everything off. Casey's working on the back bumper right now. We'll probably go for the front, and then inside the cab, we're gonna go ahead, pull the floor pans out, and well, they're not really floor pans. It's tin that somebody self-tapped into the floor pan. So we'll pull that out, and we'll actually be able to get a look at how bad of condition those are going to be in. So we can go ahead and pull up this tin. I am wearing gloves. This stuff is pretty sharp. You don't want to get cut on this, especially if you're not up to date on your tetanus shot.
Oh shoot.
Besides Casey, Casey's fine.
Did I get that?
No, you're good.
Okay.
So we're gonna go ahead and really just kind of rip it up because I think it's just a bunch of self-tappers holding it in. And if one isn't enough, well, it looks like there's two. And we're caught. Brief intermission. Now I got that one out. At least they painted it black so it matched the leather that's in there. We'll go ahead, pull this guy out, take a look at the floors. And this little moment of truth has revealed that we go straight through. Straight to the ground.
What's up, guys?
So we can now officially add to the list, at least the passenger side. We'll go ahead, pull up the driver's side. I'm not expecting anything less than that, so should be okay. Should be pretty much the same. That bumper coming.
One more bolt.
And then we lose like half the weight of the truck.
And then the thing weighs, yeah, half as much.
Well, we got the driver's side out. Not quite as bad, but I wouldn't say that this is good by any stretch of the imagination. Go ahead, get my tools out. We'll pull this rug out, and then we'll be able to take a look at absolutely everything and assess from there. So Casey, being the strong man he is, got that 100-pound bumper off.
Snap the bolt.
Yep, it almost dropped on his head. We caught it. He's okay. But yeah, that's now out. I did go ahead, I separated the head and the manifolds as well. Yeah, don't mind the Civic exhaust that came with the truck. This is all separate, so now we can go through this, clean all this up. I probably will get a new carb. They're cheap enough that it just makes sense to get another one. The head, on the other hand, we'll go ahead and hot tank it and then see if it can do a leak down test or something on it while it's out. Maybe a machine shop can, and see if that's any good, save us some money there. And then for the worst part of it all, the cab, we're gonna have a lot of work to do in here to get this back up to roadworthy condition.
Why?
Flintstone.
We could just put shingles in there.
The last Datsun we had, not his 510, the last Z that we had pistachio green colored shingles covering up the holes in the floor. So that's where that comes from. If you guys haven't, go check out those videos, old Datsun videos. That being said, we'll find something else here to work on. There's just so much to get done on this truck.
It's a project.
It is a project. Oh, by the way, I don't know if I showed you guys, but I'm going to. The dude literally chopped some coilovers in half, not bolted up, just in half, and mounted them in there. So other than the flat tire, that's kind of why the truck sits so crooked. Along with the fact that it's, you know, 45 years old and the rest of the suspension is probably clapped out as well. But I think that's where we're gonna call it today as far as tearing everything apart. There's some things we need to get done before we tear into the rest of it. So sorry today's video is a little bit shorter, but this gives us a pretty good idea of what we're going to need to do to the truck. Body-wise, we need fenders, we need a hood, we definitely need floor pans. I mean, you saw in the video just how bad they were. And we need a new truck bed, at least the bottom portion for the very back. I'm thinking I can fix the sides and the like tire humps, the cutouts for the humps, or for the tires. That should all be pretty good to go. And then we will need to address the suspension because once again, as you saw, it's pretty bad. Like, I don't understand what the previous owner was thinking. I guess he wanted it lower, but that's not really, it's not the right way to do it. I believe these have torsion bars from factory. These have what's left of the torsion bar in it. He cut them, so I'm gonna need new torsion bars as well. So in the next video, we will make a list and start addressing these issues. I hope you guys have enjoyed the video. If you have, hit the like button, subscribe if you have not already, and I will catch you next time. Peace.